Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete phone numbers from your iPhone. So in order to do that, first of all, open phone application on your iPhone. Now once you come here, go to recents. Now if you want to delete a phone number, simply select that phone number and swipe it towards the left hand side. Then you'll see a bin icon like this. If you tap on it, that specific phone number will be deleted. Also, you can tap on the option of edit at the top left corner of your screen. Now over here, tap on select. Now over here, you can tap on that red button at the left hand side and delete, or you can tap on the option of clear at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can tap on clear all recents in order to delete all phone numbers from your recents or call logs of your iPhone. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to solve your issue. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.